Appimize review. Hey guys, this is Shan from nkacademy.com and you are watching my Appimize review. So, in a nutshell, Appimize is a brand new cloud-based software that goes live on the JVZoo platform, which would allow you to create progressive web app, that means mobile app, for your customers. It comes with a commercial license right up on the front end. Plus, it has a ton of done for you templates on the hottest of local niches so that you can readily create mobile app for your customers on a couple of clicks. The best part is that you don't need to know any bit of coding for this or any bit of technical knowledge for this. It's a simple point and click type of solution which allows you to create mobile app on the go. Plus, it eradicates one of the major problems that native mobile apps has, which needs to be published on the app store and then people need to download it from there. It bypasses all those things. You can readily make your subscriber install this progressive web app, and then you can easily communicate with them via one-click push notification, SMS broadcast, and it even has inbuilt e-commerce and checkout system. It has a payment gateway as well so that you can start your brand new e-commerce business with this app. Now, on top of this all, it has also got support for custom domain, which you can use to point to your domain, while the hosting would be provided by them. That means it's a self-hosted platform. You don't need to spend a dime on hosting whatsoever. So if all that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this Appimize review, because I have got access to this Appimize software, as you can see, and I have also created a progressive app for myself. That is a digital marketing agency. You can see here NKR Academy. It is branded in our brand, and you can see how cool this looks. So I will create an app right in front of your eyes so that you get to know how easy it is to create a mobile app just like this within a couple of minutes. And then if you wish to pick up Appimize anytime during this review or after watching this review, then I have also decided to give you away a never seen before custom bonus package, which you can get for free today if you do decide to buy Appimize using my link. Now you can find the link down in the description, clicking on which you would go over to my bonus page, which should look like this. And in here, if you just scroll down, you can find all the features that Appimize has. I'm not going to go through all of that right now because I'll be giving you a demo where I'll show each and everything. But all that I wanted to show you is the kind of bonuses that I have in store for you. Now, my bonuses contains done for you agency kits. Now, they're done for you WordPress website on different hottest local niches so that not only you can develop their mobile app, but also you can develop their websites and charge huge bucks for that. I have also included some local service like GMB optimization, reputation management, and there are a ton of other services that you can provide to your customer for a huge amount of money. On top of all that, I have also provided a ton of softwares. They are our funnel building software, membership site building software, traffic software, video marketing software. There are any kind of software that you can imagine under the sun, and many of them do come with a reseller license as well. There are more than 250 plus software on my bonus package, so I would dearly request you to please go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page, and from there scroll down and go through all of my bonuses. If I just scroll down here, you can see there are tons of bonuses awaiting you. So you can just go through this, and all the description about the bonuses and how this is going to help you is written on my bonus page. So I don't want to waste your or my time in discussing all that. And another thing that I want to mention here is that you are going to get 35 premium software with reseller rights as additional bonuses if you do decide to purchase any of the upgrades of Appimize. With that being said, if that sounds interesting to you, then again stick with me till the end of this Appimize review, because right now we are going to dive inside of Appimize and see how easy it is to work with so that you can make your decision like if it is going to be good for you or not. And also I want to throw light on another aspect from where you can make money with Appimize. That is, if you go over to Fiverr or any other freelancing platform, and if you search for something like progressive web app development, then you can see people charging around 200 bucks, 195, 170, 100 bucks. So even if you get a single client for this, then you are going to have the not only the investment back, but also you will get a huge amount of profit. So that's how profitable this app can be. With that being said, now let's dive into this software itself and see how easy Appimize is to work with. So let's jump into the Appimize demo. So hey guys, welcome to this Appimize demo within the Appimize review. And let us create a new app, brand new app. This already I have created, but let me create a brand new app so that you can get to know how easy it is. So just click on this new app. And this actually allows you to select a template. Now, there are a lot of done for you templates. As you can see, if I scroll down here, then you can find there are tons and tons of done for you template. There are done for you template for any and every niche that you can think of. Tennis club, bike shop, body fitness, healthcare. Then there are like bookkeeping, bookstore, business planner, call center, camera, carpenter, plumber, car accessories, consultancy, cooking, dental care, anything and everything you wish to. Now you can just go over to this all categories and click over here. And from here, you can find your suitable category under which you want to build your app. Say you are trying to build an app for health and fitness related someone whom you have approached is a health coach maybe. And then you can go ahead and create this kind of apps for them. So you can just select any of these templates. It's as easy as clicking on use this template and this will load up right up here. Then you need to enter the name, say for example Cheyenne Health, and click on next. So this loads up and this is the preview of the app that it already has. This is the template. Now I'll show you how to edit everything, don't worry. So the first thing that you want to do here is to add a domain name. Now if you have a custom domain, you can just integrate that. There is a detailed training from this section that you could go through because it's a huge app and I will not be able to cover everything within this short demo, but I'll try to touch upon where the things are and how you need to do it. But once you get hold of this app, I would suggest that you go through this training. So if you have a custom domain, you can integrate that. But for this example, let us use subdomain like health Cheyenne and click on next. That will take us to the next step, which is adding a logo. Now, if you have a logo, you can just click on change image. I don't think it is being visible because of my camera, but right under this logo, there is a button called change image, which you can click and you can upload your own logo over here. That's how easy things are. Then you need to go to this splash screen and in here you can set up this icon as well. And if you have any retargeting script, maybe Facebook pixel that you want to integrate, you can do that, and Google Analytics pixel, you can do that. That's up to you. So that was the first part. Now you need to go over to this page component. Now here you can see the page has loaded up and it is the home page that we are going to customize now. Now each of the things are available on this left hand side. Say for example, if I select this grid, then on the preview, I can find this is the grid that we have selected. Now on the right hand side, if we go over this, if this is visible, you can see this grid heading, our fitness club, and that's exactly what is written here. So if I type something like welcome to Cheyenne, it will be written like that, and that's how easy things are. Now I can see here is a slider. So if I want to change this slider, I can find all the components on this left hand side. Now if I want to add a new component, I can do that by clicking this one that I'll show a little later. But for now, let me show you how to edit the existing template. Say for example, I want to change this slider, so just click on the slider. And you can see that it has been highlighted and it has opened up on this right hand pane. Now, all that you need to do here is that you can just go over here. It is a little hidden by my camera. However, I'm trying to show you. Now, on the slider settings, you can just go ahead and click on any of this component, which will actually allow you to change anything and everything over here. You can see you can change this image, you can change this writing, you can change whatever you wish to. Now, in the similar way, if you want to change, let me say, you want to change the text. So you can just click on this text and you can see this text has opened up, and right on the right hand side, I'm getting the text. Now, let me reposition my camera. I think you are not being able to view it. So now I think the visibility is better. So you can see over here, you can just write anything you wish to, and that will appear over here. So that's how easy it is to edit the existing part of templates that are there. Now, if you wish to add a new component, it's pretty easy. You just need to go on top here and click on add new component. And you can see there are any and every type of component. There are text, images, audio, videos. There are headers, buttons, countdown timer, iframe, sliders, forms, ratings, map, social sharing, grade, listing, product, and booking as well. So that's amazing because you can do almost everything with these components, right? If you wish to add another component like a video, you can just click here and this will appear right down here. Now, if you want to change the position of it, that is, you want to drag it a little higher, then all that you need to do is go down here. You can find this video over here. Just go for this and you can see this dragging option and you can drag it anywhere you wish to. Say I want to drag it over this image, then I have been able to do that. Now the video should appear somewhere on the top. So let me show you that. Let me just drag this and let me show you that it is coming over the image. There is the image and there is my video. So it's extremely editable. You can do whatever you wish to. You can even add pages to it as well. That's up to you. Now, you can go over and change the menu settings as well. That's also up to you. You can have different menus available at different positions. You can even customize the themes. You can have your brand colors set up anywhere you wish to. So that's how customizable these things are. And once you are happy with the app, just click on publish app and this would be published. You would get a link which you can share, or you can also make people download using the same link as well. You can see here, I've got the link. So all that you need to do now is copy this URL and send it to your subscribers just like this. And once they open this up, they would get a notification like install now, as you can see over here. So that's how cool this is. And you see that it's perfectly aligned in desktop as well. So that's how responsive the designs are. And you can see it's asking for push notifications. So if you allow that, it would be able to communicate with your subscribers via push notification. Let me show you that as well. So just go back to the dashboard like here and go to this engage. And in here, just click on notification. And then you can click on send notification. And then if you wish, you can even schedule the push notification, or you can send it directly as well. You can have your links to it. You can have pictures, images, anything that you wish. You can even send a broadcast SMS to all your users. You can create your products from here. You can view the analytics from here. You can have your settings done over here. From here, let me show you. You can set up your payment gateways. You can set up your currencies over here. It supports all currencies, so despite of from where you are operating, it will work for you. It has a few payment settings as well, which you can choose from, and then it has a seller address, SMTP settings, everything you can customize. So that's quite cool. And again, I would really request you to go through the training because this is a huge app. The capabilities are really endless. So you can go through the training to explore it even more, but I really think that you have got enough of insight via this Appimize demo. And if you have really loved this Appimize demo and if you really want to pick this up, then why not pick it up via my link? Because I have provided you some awesome, amazing bonuses which you can find nowhere else, because those are all my custom bonuses. In order to check my bonuses, just go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And then you can just scroll down to check out the quality of all of my bonuses. And once you feel the same, like you are going to get all of these bonuses nowhere else, then you can just scroll down to find any of these red buttons, clicking on which you would go over to the Appimize sales page, which looks like this. And in here, you can just click on any of these buttons to get access to Appimize along with all my bonuses thrown in absolutely for free of cost. With that being said, there is a coupon as well, which you can apply to get a $2 discount right up on the front end. Now, with that being said, please feel free to shop around and see what other people are offering, because I'm super confident that none would be even close to what I have offered on my bonuses. And all your bonuses would be directly delivered to your JVZoo account. You just need to log into your JVZoo account, go over to your purchases, and from there you need to go over to Appimize, and from there you can click on the blue button like you are seeing flashing on the screen to get hold of all of my bonuses. If you still have any problems, then please feel free to reach out to us on our email ID or on our Facebook page. The link to both of them would be down in the description link as well. Now it's time for us to discuss the sales funnel and the pricing that it has. The front end is going to be priced at $47 for the personal license and $67 for the commercial license. With that being said, the personal license, the limitations are a lot on that. Moreover, you can't sell it to your customers. So I would definitely recommend you should pick up the commercial rights, and that allows you to create 100 apps for your customers which you can sell. Then comes the OTO 1, that is the Appimize Deluxe version, and it comes at a $67 one-time pricing, and it allows you to create unlimited apps, which is a very, very good feature to have. And you are going to have 50 extra done for you templates as well. And all of that for a one-time price of $67 makes it absolutely recommended one to pick up. And you are going to have a truly unlimited version of it, because you can get unlimited downloads, unlimited push notification, unlimited app editing. You are going to get pop-ups. Everything is going to be there on this one. So my recommendation is you should definitely pick up the OTO 1. The next OTO is the done for you agency kit materials, and this is something that I have covered on my bonuses. With that being said, if you really want to pick this up, feel free to do so, but you are covered a lot on my bonuses for this one. The next one is a template club version that has a recurring payment, monthly option or a yearly option. So if you are into more template kind of thing, then you can do for it. But I think the templates that are on the front end, and if you're purchasing the deluxe, is good enough to start off. I'm not kind of recommending this one. The next one is reseller license. Again, if you are into software reselling, then only consider picking this up. With that being said, it brings me to an end of this Appimize review, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this Appimize review. And to sum it up for you, my recommendation is you should definitely pick up the front end, because it allows you a huge opportunity to make money online, because mobile apps are booming right now. Creating a native app is troublesome. Number 2, it requires permission. Number 3, it requires you to pay a yearly charge. Now you can bypass all of that using this progressive web app application. And alongside that, I would also recommend you to pick up at least the OTO 1, that is the deluxe version, that allows you the unlimited version of Appimize. With that being said, it brings me to an end of this Appimize review. We'll meet again somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families. Do take action. Keep rocking, keep learning, keep making money online. Signing off is Shan from NK Academy. Take care. Bye-bye.